Hello. Today, having a glass, not a whole bottle, is the new way of consuming wines. But wine never comes as it should. Temperature, oxidation, overpouring, wastage, serving and handling cost makes wine by the glass a business with random profits. Invineo is a wine tech solution. We care about everything. We source our wine list directly from producers. We fill wines in our innovative smart bottle. Our dispenser chills and serves wines with precision, both in temperature and volume. Invineo is an IoT device using artificial intelligence for monitoring functionalities and sales reports. A 15-month market test with major hospitality group has proven our benefits. Invineo increases sales, optimize revenue and customer satisfactions. First contracts have been signed. We are ready for launch. We're looking for 8 million to produce our dispensers and our filling equipment, to expand our sales team and to invest in marketing costs. We target up to 6,000 dispensers in Europe by 2025. Come,
ladies
have a
and
taste.
gentlemen, thank you very much.